Hi, I'm Joanie Spencer, Editor-in-Chief of Commercial Baking. I am in Dusseldorf, Germany at Interpack 2026. We've got 18 halls, tons of trends, and unlimited opportunities. Let's see what we've got. Come on, let's go. Here in Germany, one of the biggest conversations is around packaging and packaging waste regulation. It's EU's version, basically, of the US's EPR, Extended Producer Responsibility. In the EU, they have compliance deadline of August. Things are still rolling out on the state side, so there are a lot of differences, but one important thing that is really gonna help is to focus on data. That is the big thing, data in the supply chain. Resource efficiency. Everybody is being challenged by rising cost of ingredients these days, and so how you handle those ingredients is going to be critical. So there are a lot of ingredient suppliers who are dialing in the technology to make sure that there is as much efficiency as possible to maximize every pound, every ounce of the ingredients in dosing micros, macros, bulk ingredients, all of it. Increased use of GLP-1 drugs are having a significant impact on the bakery industry, and bakers are really seeing lower consumption of higher quality products. So there is so much more strategy and care into the production of baked goods, and that is requiring full line solutions. So there are a lot of processing manufacturers out there who are offering end-to-end full line solutions that are really helping bakers meet those strategic goals. Sustainability is not just in packaging, it's in baking as well. Bakers are really looking for technologies in areas like the oven to help them achieve sustainability goals. We are seeing technology in ovens that they can actually return the oven band through the chamber to really reduce energy usage. It's amazing. There's even vision technology being developed that will help with dough development inside the mixer. I have loved my time at Interpack. Thank you so much for catching up with me. I will see you again in Dusseldorf in 2029.